kilohertz. Nagsibya na karon worldwide via internet. Pinaagi sa www.sticam.com/dyla909_Cebu sa kusog nga 10,000 watts. Ang labing tinamudog tinahod nga radio news organization sa Sugbo. DYLA-AM, kadaghan na pasidunggi sa Cebu Archdiocesan Mass Media Awards ug sa kagamanan sa dakbayan sa Sugbo isip Most Outstanding Broadcast Institution. Kini gipanag-iya sa Vemcon2 Broadcasting Corporation. DYLA-AM, sakop sa kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas.
Pagtuki alang sa mga isyu nga adunay kalabutan sa kalambuan. Pagtuki alang sa mga maayong pagpansay sa katilingban ug mga madasigong sugilanon sa mga yanong kinabuhi. Pagtuki tulumanon sa kahanginan sa Ramon Aboitiz Foundation Incorporated. Ug karon ania ang inyong mga alagad.
Maayong buntag, Kabisayan ug Mindanao labi na sa ato mga suking tigpaminaw dinig sa naginusarang sibiyaanan sa mga mamumuo. Ug kini ang programa sa kahanginan sa Ramon Aboitiz Foundation Incorporated ang Pagtuki. Ug kini inyong alagad si Pagtuki Tats Samson. Makiguban kaninyo sa usa ka oras pagpanuki sa mga issue kamay kalabutan sa kalambuan. Mga igsoon, Hulyo 20 karon 2013 ug atong pagaisgutan ang kabahin sa Exchange of Youth Experiences. Mahigala, doon na kitay mga bisita karon gikan sa Belgium ug sa Netherlands. Mga batanon kini ug ato silang pag sila paambit ka nato no sa ilahang mga experience, sa ilahang mga nahitabo no sa nangaging mga pipila ka adlaw. But sa dili pa ta mo padayon tuguti na ko sa pagpangayo kaninyo og katahuran no kaniyong tanan nga atong mga avid listeners. Good morning, good morning. So manghinaot kami nga sa inyong tagsa-tagsa ka mga panimalay ug sa inyong tagsa-tagsa ka panginabuhian. Anaa kamo na minaw usab kuyog nato karon. Labi na gyud sa atong mga suki nga diha sa mga isla sa Bohol, sa Siquijor, sa Negros ug ingon man sa pipila ka bahin sa Mindanao ug ingon man sab dinhi sa ato ang probinsya sa Sugbo. Kaniyong tanan maayong buntag no manghinaot nga niining kabuntagon karon. Maayo ang ato ang weather no. So mahinaot nga kini magpadayon mga igsuon no kagabi grabe kayo ang ulan pipila sa ato mga kadalanan diha sa syudad. Grabe ang pagbaha no. So mao na nga manghinaot nga magpadayon kining buntaga sa iyahang kaanindot sa panahon. Okay? So nining buntaga karon amo mong giawhag no sa pag-apil sa ato ang diskusyon labi na gyud sa pag-interact sa ato ang mga batan-on karon nga kuyog unya mingnaot ming makahatag ta no o mga kahigayunan diin sila makapaambit sad sa ilahang mga kasinatian. So amo mong giawhag sa pagpadala sa inyong mensahe pinaagi sa pagpadala no nining maong mga numero. Ang ato ang Pagtuki hotline mao kini 256-1679 baka sa 255-5754. Again, ang atong Pagtuki hotline, ang numero 256-1679 baka sa 255-5754. Ang atong Pagtuki mobile, ang numero 0923-486-5473. Again, 0923-486-5473. Okay? So atong di nato langanon mga igsoon, atong ipaila. We'd like to introduce our visitors this morning. First, ang kasamtangang representative from the Young Heroes of Cebu, si Julia Gonzalez. Julia, good morning.
Hi sir, good morning. Og maayong buntag sa tanan ng mga tigpaminaw. Sa mga Cebuano maayong buntag. Hinaot nga nindot og mainit ang adlaw karon.
Yes. So, salamat. Bako ito mga higala si Julia. No? O niya, isunod sa nato dayon ang ato ang kuyog karong buntaga from the Netherlands, ang ilahang adult leader, no? Nga kuyog karon din sa studio, si Marco
Schoro.
Yes. Okay. Yes, Marco, good morning.
Good morning, Mayo Muntag. Ako si Marco Schoro. And I don't speak any words more of Cebuano.
Okay. So mao kato mga higala si Marco no, siya ang usa sa mga adult leaders nga kuyog nining 20 ka mga batan-on, okay? Next, usasad ni siya ka adult leader pero batanon paghapon. Still young. 27 years old, si Elke Mollert. Okay, from Belgium. Yes, Elke, good morning.
Mayong buntag, good morning. Hello, I'm Elke Moulaert from Belgium.
Okay. So, mao ka itong mga higala, no? Si Elke, nga mausay usa sa mga adult leaders nga kuyog, no? Sa mga batanon karon. And to represent, no? Sa atong mga batanon from Belgium, we have Torben Samin of 17 years old. Yes, Torben,
Yes.
good morning and welcome to Pagtuki. And
Hello.
welcome to Cebu.
Thank you. That's all.
Alright. So, mao ka to mga higala si Torben, no? Next, still 17 years old gyapon ni batanon gyapon mga igsoon. Gikan sa Netherlands si Dayan Berko. Yes, Dayan, good morning and welcome to Cebu.
Thank you. Good morning. I'm Diana Berkout.
Alright. So mao ka to mga higala, no? Ang ato ang mga batanon nga kuyog karon. Yun nya, sila they will be sharing their experiences about their stay, about their program, no? Here in Cebu. Okay? Una sa tanan to siguro pangutanon si Julia kabahin sa kining gipasugdahan karon, no, sa Young Heroes of Cebu in partnership with RAFI, no? So tell us about YHC and this program, Julia.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Ang YHC, ang Young Heroes for Cebu, is usa ni ka grupo sa mga batanon nga ni-participate sa Young Minds on Explore kanang usa ka exchange program sa Ramon Aboitiz Foundation. Last year, ikaw among adult leader.
Kuyog day ko ato. Alright.
Kuyog ka ato, sir. Last year, for almost 1 month, niagto ta sa Netherlands ug sa Belgium para sa immersion and cultural exchange. Pag uli nato, kami naka-decide na gusto namong ipadayon ang among nakatunan sa Belgium ug sa Netherlands. So muna nga gitukod na mo or among gihimo ang Young Heroes for Cebu. So starting now kay kami na among organize sa Multi-City Youth Xchange, ang exchange program sa Belgians ug sa Dutch. Gikan sa mga sister cities sa Cebu City nga Haarlemmermeer sa Netherlands ug ang Kortrijk sa Belgium nga moari sila sa Cebu City. Yes.
So, Jul, ikapila naman ni karon nga visit, no, kaning gitawag nato og Young Minds on Explore 3 program. So ikapila naman ni siya, Jul, nga tuig, no, kining gitawag nato og Youth Exchange nga diin partner nato ang mga batanon
Sa ato ang grupo, sir, sa katong mga Pinoy nga niagto sa Netherlands ug sa Belgium, kay ikatulo na ni siya nga run. Pero sa ilaha, ang ikaduha pa ni nila nga run.
Ikaduha pa.
Nga kuyog ang mga Belgians. Pero for ikapito na ni nga mga Dutch nga moari.
Kay nagsugod ni siya nga maong program, kining Youth Exchange program 2006.
Yes.
So niabot tag mga 7 na katuig
Yes,
na.
sir.
So dili lang di ay ni kini siya nga batch karon, kini siya nga program ikaduha pa ni apan nagsugod na diining ato ang partnership since 2006.
Yes, sir.
Right. But karong tuiga ang Young Heroes of Cebu, which is kining ato ang grupo, which is part nami
Yes.
as advisors, no, of Young Heroes of Cebu, ikaduha pa niya kamoy nagpahigayon na karong
Yes, sir.
tuiga.
Sa niagi nga unom ka runs ani ang RAFI mo itig organize. So this is the first time na kami sa Young Heroes for Cebu ang ni-organize gud ani ug ang ni run
Ang
ani
nagpaluyo.
program. Ang nagpaluyo gihapon ang RAFI nga mo guide na mo ug ang mentors na mo in
So
the
you meaning to say sa mga naging tuig, it's RAFI mo ay nagpahigayon. But
Yes, sir.
now, it's the Young Heroes of Cebu.
Yes,
Apan naagyapon ang RAFI
Yes.
as support.
Yes, sir.
Alright. So mo na maigso, no? Kining maong programa gipaluyuhan kini sa Ramon Aboitiz Foundation Incorporated unya. Ang mga batan-on na gid mismo nga naggrupo sa ilang kaugalingon nga gitawag og Young Heroes of Cebu maoy nagpahigayon ni ining maong pagbisita karon sa ato ang mga batan-on gikan sa Netherlands ug sa Belgium. Now, we will ask siguro sa mga delegates, no? Tell us about the Multi-City Youth Xchange program.
You mean what we have done?
Yes, so far.
Last week we visited GK site for a building project, Gawat Kalinga. It was in Mandaue City. We built houses over there. And also the people over there helped us. It was very nice. We slept at host families over there. They were very friendly people, and there was a good sphere. It was a good, it was a very good experience for us and also for the youth. Yeah. And before that, we had a city tour in Cebu City. And we visited the Magellan's Cross, the Santo Niño, and we visited also the carbon market, and we visited many things. And we did also, that was part of the KIC, Cool Adventure Camp. And what have we done more? We built, we donated 3 houses at the Gawat Kalinga site.
So far you've been visited a lot of places here in Cebu.
Yes.
I think Marco, this is not your first time.
No.
This is your
Third time. In 2000.
So how was it being here for 3 years already? Or visited here 3 times already?
Yes, it's very nice. The first time in 2007, I was one of the delegates, the young delegates. And 2011 was my first time as an adult leader. And now it's my second time. It's always, every year when I come back, it's always a different program. It's always something new in it. And I really like it. Yes.
So you mentioned about you visited the carbon market, the Magellan's Cross, and some of the heritage sites here in Cebu so far. So your impression about the places that you've been visited?
It's also very beautiful. I'm a history teacher, so I like to see the Magellan's Cross and the Santo Niño. It's very interesting. And it was also good with the youth, where we were walking in the street and we did some challenges. It's also nice to buy food for a family as cheap as possible. It was quite difficult. Very good experience, and also the building was very nice. We met the people. It was a real immersion of the Philippine people.
All right. So here, Elkie, this is your first time.
No, it's my second
Second
time.
time. Okay. Tell us about your experience.
3 years ago, I stayed here for 5 months. I did my internship here because I'm a social worker in Belgium. And I did 1 year extra in Belgium. It's called Post-Graduation North-South. That's a cooperation between 2 schools in Belgium. And for that, I had to do my internship in a development country, and I choose for the Philippines for Cebu City. So I did my internship by Shared Child Movement.
Okay, so you're a social worker.
Yes.
Yes, in Belgium. That so far, you've been visited also some of the institutions here.
Yes.
So far, how's the visit?
Like I visit Missions of the Poor.
Mission of the Poor.
So that was really interesting for me, and it was also a little bit emotional to see these children, but
Okay, so next, yes, Torvin, tell us your first time here in Cebu.
Yes, it's my first time here in
Okay,
Cebu.
so you have a lot of experiences so far.
Yeah.
Yes, tell us about it.
Well, I really remember one thing that we visited, and that was the dump site at Cebu.
In Inayuan.
I don't know which one. Yeah,
Inayuan.
that one.
So, what's your impression of our dump site compared
Well,
to your?
it was very emotional to see because we arrived there and we saw the trucks arrive with the garbage in it, and they released the garbage at the garbage place. And all the people were looking through the garbage, and it was very sad to see that they had to live from that. So it was kind of emotional for us, but we also saw a lot of positive things in Cebu.
Yeah. Okay. So yes, Diane, for your part, your experiences so far.
Well, it's my first time here too, and I really like it there. I've learned a lot. My host family in JK, Kawat Kalinga, they even learned me to wash my clothes and to do the dishes the way the Filipino guys do it there.
So you've been learning a lot about household work.
Yeah, how the
chores.
people live here.
Okay. So Jul, kita sa ato sa young heroes of Cebu, kita mo nagkuyog-kuyog kanila maski asa sila sa mga lugar nga gisgutan.
Yes, sir. Dili lang kita ang ni-organize, kita sad ang ni-facilitate.
Kita pagyud ang
Yes,
ni-facilitate.
so katong sa Kawad Kalinga, ni Kuyog sa Kunila, og gi-host sad ko dito, so nahug kong appeal po ko sa
You're
experience.
part of
Yes.
the immersion
Yes,
ng
sir.
program. So, Jules, so far kining mga kuyog nato karon nga mga kabataan, this their 10th day.
Yes, sir.
No? So, this is a 3-week program. So far ang 10 days nga mga activities daghan pa kaayo, no?
Yes,
na
sir.
silang naagian. So unsa may mga nagisgot sila about GK, about sa mga city tour og dito sa dam site.
Actually, ang sa karon, sir, although nga kanang wala lang ni sa nakakuyog kina sa Driron, but ang grupo na karon sa Mambaling sa
sila
mga
sa
Badyaw.
Mga Badyaw.
Yes.
Okay.
Kay 2 years ago, ang same program nihatag sila og houses pud sa Badyaw kanang sa RAFI nga housing project with the Badyaw. So ang ilang gibisita karon kung unsay nahimo nga mga balay sa katong niadto 2 years ago. And next week, ang grupo i-divide into 2. Ang usa ka grupo mo immerse sa SOS Children's Village, usa ka orphanage ni siya nga sa Talamban. O ang other group mo immerse sa kanang CTU sa Barili.
Dito sa Barili. So
Yes,
naay
sir.
grupo karon nga tuwa sa Barili.
It will start on Monday.
Monday, next week pa.
Inig Monday, kay magbuwag na sila.
Okay.
So they will be staying there for 4 ka adlaw. And then after that, kay mag-project sila in the days and in the afternoons. And sa next weekend, mag-tour sa South. So sa Oslob, sa whale watching.
Whale watching. This time, mga light na kayo mga
Yes.
activities. Alright, they will be enjoying some of the destinations
Yes,
here
sir.
in Cebu.
Mag-overnight sa Mualbual, magto sa falls, mag-trekking dito.
So, there's a
So
lot of...
lingaw. So nahug siya nga immersion. So ni sa houses, nagtukod sa houses, magto sa mga orgs, but at the same time, it's also for them to enjoy our country and our island as well.
So, may nguntang kuha na po nga, Julia, nga naagin nila yung purpose. Dili lang yun ingon nga
Laag lang.
fun, but
Yes.
there's purpose here of coming over to
Yes.
Cebu. Just the same sa ubang mga previous nga mga programs with them, naagin sila yung purpose. Ang pag-build og house, paghimo og mga medical missions
Yes, sir.
with other places in Cebu. Wow. So mga igso, mo nay pipila ka mga updates so far sa pag-visit kini dinhi sa ato ang mga Belgian og Dutch youth, nga 20 kin sila kabuok. Unya nagsuri-suri sila dinhi sa pipila ka mga lugar sa dakbayan sa Subo. Unya naghimo ni sila og mga programa. Unya kini manggod nga maong mga kalihukan, mao sa ni sila ipaghatag pud og pagtulunan nila og experience kay lahi maraman kaayo ang mga kalihukan nga ilang gihimo dito sa ilahang lugar ug dinhi sa atoa. Now, who are part of this program? Can you tell us in details of who are part?
How were they selected?
For the delegates, yeah. We started 1 year ago, around I think September. We went to schools and to churches, and we are advertising about our trip. And after that, the youth sent a solicitation letter, and the adult leaders of our group, they read all the letters and they invite some people. And then we had something like a selection weekend. So we can see there on that weekend what kind
So
of persons.
this a sort of selection process there.
Yes.
Okay.
Because for us it's quite important because we are 3 weeks with each other, 24 hours, 7 days. So you need to have a group that can be together and that can also accept things of each other. So that's why we had also something like a selection weekend, so we can see everybody. If are they a team person who can live in a team. And after that we had a group around in November, I think. And after that we started the preparation of our trip. We had every 3 weeks we had a meeting at night at around 8 o'clock. And the first part of that meeting was always we giving information about the projects, about Cebu, and about maybe we giving also information about healthcare in Cebu and things like that. And the second part of the evening was always for fundraising. We organized some things to get money for the trip, because the youngsters, they paid the half of the ticket price for the airplane, and the other part they get with fundraising. So they're washing cars, and they yes, and they sold candles in the church and things like that. Yeah.
So just to get funds, no?
To get funds for they get money for the trip. Yeah.
LK, would like to add? In Belgium, how did you do it in Belgium? The process, the selection process.
We also had more candidates. We just organized one selected day, and then so the youngsters had to come, and then we asked questions to them. Like one of the questions was, why wanted they join this program? And on base of that, we selected the candidates, and we also did some little games to know each other better. And then Kim and me, the other adult leader of Belgium, then we selected the candidates. And we also had to do the race funds, so we had enough money to go on the trip.
Okay, so a lot of fund sourcing out there.
Yeah, we organized like a spaghetti evening, and also like a in the movie afternoon. So a lot of things that youngsters organize.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, for let's see. For Torvin, yes, when you heard the campaign, what was your reaction then?
When I heard that we could go to Cebu, you mean?
Yes.
Well, I first heard it through some friends of mine, because the teacher who gives religion at our school told them, but I don't follow religion at my school, so I heard from my friends. And I was very excited because I think it's a really interesting program to see and to learn other cultures, like the culture of Cebu and the Philippines. So I was very interested.
Oh, all right. Yes, Diane.
Well,
When you first heard of the program, what was your reaction then?
I was like, yeah, I want to go there. It's nice, and we immediately wrote a letter, and we were like, okay, is this okay, or do I have to say other things? And I liked it, and my mom and dad were like, yeah, you have to do that. That's so nice.
So that was your reaction. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. You're excited.
Yeah.
To visit Cebu. Yes. Julia, sa atong time, no? Nga first time po to na to nakaadto
Yes,
dito
sir.
sa lugar. When RAFI announced that you'll be part of the program, unsam sa gibati nimo atong higayuna nga moadto tag Belgium o Netherlands for the first time in our life.
Actually, medyo lahi siya, sir, kay sa ila, they had to encourage the youth to join sa ilaha.
Yes.
So, medyo, it was more of a cultural experience sa ila. Kaysa sa ato, murag, if we think about it, ikan ka sa Pilipinas, wag to ka sa Europe, murag lahi gyud siya nga level. So, RAFI, they had to get from thousands of sa mga ni-graduate sa Cool Adventure Camp, di ba? So, when I was chosen sa katong na shortlist, medyo lipay kay ko, pero nakulbaan gyapon because gikan sa 20, kay ni-apply paghapon mi, and mapili kay 12 ra.
From 20,
from the
ni-apply.
thousands nga mga graduates, like 20 nga gi-shortlist. And then sa katong 20, gipa-apply me, so we had to write forms and gi-panel interview me sa mga heads sa RAFI and the adult leaders as well. So gikan sa 20, nahimo naming 12. So when I had the call nga nadawat ko and I was in the program, I was very, very happy and very excited kay it was my first time to be outside Asia. So hili ko mularga pero in Asia lang. So first time na ko, and it was very, very memorable. Nga feeling na ko nga kanamurag hapon siya sa gahapon pa to kay katungod sa memories and sa bonds nga atong nahimo sa atong mga host families because I think kapara nako ang best part gyud sa trip was the host families.
So, Jul, tagay ko nog gamay-gamayng kasinatian ang mga naminaw nato karon. Labi na gyud no kay naay mga kahigayunan nato nga atong mga youth nga naminaw karon can go to other places or
Yes.
they can join with us niining maong program. So, makahatag ka og pagdasig pud nila sa mga youth. Yes, Julia.
Actually, kami, kanagipilian mi kay ni graduate mi sa Young Minds Academy usa ka leadership nga program sa Ramon Aboitiz Foundation. For 8 months na siya nga ang youth ilang i-train, ilang i-mold to become leaders and to become people, to become good or the youth leaders here in Cebu City. So after that, kanang gipilian mi kung makagraduate na ka kay kanang pilian mo. So pwede mo if ang ato mga youth karon kay ganahan to have the chance to go to Europe, they first have to join the Young Minds Academy. So murag
ang
after
uban sad nato ato mga student or alumni sa
Cool Adventure
Cool Adventure
Camp,
Camp
usa ka
program.
adventure-based pod na siya nga kanang program sa RAFI. Yes.
So muna mga igso no, labi na gid inyong mga anak nga mga ganahan nga mo join no na ay mga programa sa RAFI, mga youth formation program in RAFI nga diin inyohang maapilan ug baka makaapil pud sila sa Cool Adventure Camp program. So mao ni siya ay gibasihan sa pagpili sa mga youth delegates nga niadto dito sa Belgium ug sa Netherlands.
Yes. Actually, ako sir, sa ikalima na ko nga run sa YMA, kanang the Young Minds Academy, right now, they're having the ikapito na ni nga run ron sa Young Minds Academy. So, when it ends, I think it will end at about November or December siguro ni sila mo kanang graduate. Naanapod siguro, hopefully, naanapoy Young Minds Academy Season 8. So, kung kinsaya gusto mo join, ana, I think kanang pwede na they can think about being in YMA now.
Marco, how it started with the program no with BHC and Cebu City? Yes.
I think it's around the sister relationship, you mean?
Yes, the sister relationship.
That's around, I think, 20 or 25 years ago it started, because the mayor of Haarlemmermeer City, he went to Cebu just for vacation, and he saw at the airport there were no cars to carry luggage. And he knew for our airport, they were going to throw it away, the cars, because they get new ones. That's how they start the first thing after it. So the cars of our airport went to the airport of Cebu City. That was 25 years ago. And after that was also some, they worked together with the firework, because the IROF, the fire ambulance here, use also cars and trucks of the Netherlands. And we got bigger and bigger. And since 2006, we have also the youth exchange in our sister relationship, and doing more things, because we also support Forge.
Forge Foundation.
Yes, Forge Foundation, yeah. We also support that, and we support many other projects also. We did in the history also water supply projects, and we've done many projects with the VHC. Yes.
So yeah, so I heard the first big program that the city of Haarlemmermeer and Cebu City is the IROF.
Yes, yes.
So the government of Haarlemmermeer is providing support to IROF.
Yes, because in the Netherlands there be some rules, because when a fire truck is more than 7 or 10 years old, we need new ones because of the safety. But still good trucks.
Yeah.
So we send them to the IROF here, and they use it. And after I think 1 or 2 years, maybe more, we also sent coaches or teachers how to teach them how to use things like that, because we have the little different fire trucks, and sometimes they didn't know how to use the tools of it. And now IROF is one of the best fireworks in whole Asia, I thought. Yeah. They're very good.
Yeah. For Belgium, when this program or the sister cityhood was in the making, in what year?
Kortrijk joined the program since 2005.
2005. Okay, so it's now the city of Kortrijk and Cebu City
Yes.
having this relationship.
Yes.
Okay, so that's why we have this program also with the youth in Belgium.
Yeah, and like Kortrijk, they mostly work together, like with Barangay Luz.
Barangay
Like,
Luz, yes.
because a lot of students of Kortrijk do their internship there, and like